Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to install the Django for Python. So without further ado, let's get started. So here, first of all, we will come into Google browser and here we will search for Python. And then we will click on the first link over here, click on it. So here you will get the latest Python version. Just click on download and here you can see the download is started over here. After downloading this, we will install now. Now click on 2 times here and then here we will get a interface to install Python 3.12.2 over here. So here we will check this add python.exe to path and we will install it in customize installations. Be sure all the feature is checked and click on next and then look, and here you will get advanced options called install Python 3.12 for all users. Just check it out. Then all fine here and now click on install and here you can see the installations or setup progress is begin. So here you can see setup was successful. Now click close and come over this search option and search for CMD. Click on CMD and then here we will check our new version of Python is installed or not. So here we will click py, click on this and click py space to dash over here and then write version and click enter. And here you can see the latest version that 3.12.2 is installed in our laptop or PC. And now we will check the PIP version. So write PIP space to dash and write version. Click enter. And here you can see the PIP 224.0 form. It's already activated. So now we are confirmed that Python is installed in our device and PIP version is also installed. So now we will create a folder over here and rename it as Django. So after creating the Django folder, we will click on it and then here we will come over and we will write here CMD. Click enter and here is CMD interface opened and now we will install Django over here. For that reason, now we have to create a command which is create a virtual environment over here. For that reason, we have to write Python over here and then space dash m space virtual environment space my underscore virtual environment in a short form. Then click enter and here you can see we create a virtual environment in Django folder and now here we will find script. So now we will activate this script over here. For that reason we need to write my underscore virtual environment and then slash scripts then slash activate. And now if we click enter, here we can see we activate our script over here. So now we have to make the Django install command over here. So for that reason, we will click pip and then space install Django. And now press enter. So here you can see the Django is installing. We need to wait a couple of seconds over here. And now here you can see the successfully installed Agrif or maybe the Django. Here you can see Django installed and successfully installed Django 5.0.30. And now we just have to create an admin version over here. Let's see, we made two mistakes over here that we placed underscore by Django, but we don't need to do that. We just have to write Django and press dash and then write admin and space version and press enter. So here you can see the admin version is activated right now. So here, if you want to make or you want to create a project over here, so you have to write a command over here. So we will write Django and a dash admin space start project, and then you have to place your project name. By my project name is my underscore app, and then click enter. And here you can see we create our project over here. You can see here you will find all the file over here, these manage sections. And now if you want to run this project, you have to come over this CMD and then you need to write cd space my project underscore app. You just have to place your project name over here and then click enter. So what you did here is whenever you want to run your project, you just have to command you just have to choose your project over here. So you just chose your project and now you will run your project by writing Python space manage.py space run software and then click enter. And your project is running right now, and here they gave you a link over here. You can see you just copy this and then go to Chrome browser, go to Microsoft Edge or your any preferable browser, just press that and click. And here you will successfully install your Django over here. Here you can see. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you another video. Till then, goodbye.